Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So here the first thing that was sure our Samsung Galaxy F23 device. Also we got here the SIM tool, and in this paperwork box, we got the USB Type-C cable, and also the quick start guide and the warranty card. And unfortunately there are all the box accessories. We have no here in the box a charger brick, as can you see. We have no earbuds and no any adapters here, so if you want to use them you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.